That's Tobi. Hello, ho ho. Here is the little Tikes Tobi 2 robot smartwatch. This will have 2 cameras inside. It's an interactive smartwatch that you can play games, you can play videos, you can play selfies. It has a pedometer, it has a touchscreen, it has parental controls. It has a lot of functions and it's super cool. So this is the update of the original Tobi, and what the difference is that the Tobi 2 will come with features like it has the ability to communicate with other Tobis, and they have made updates to the software and the hardware. Now you can see on the internals there, everything is right there, and this is not the smallest of watches. This is actually going to be quite large, so your kid can take it, abuse it, and find ways to learn how to use some of this technology. So here's what it looks like on my wrist. Now I'm not a child, but if you want to turn it on, all you got to do is press the power button, and your home button is right there. You're going to be pressing that down. And if we hold it down for just about 5 seconds, your Tobi will turn on. Hello, Tobi. And your Tobi 2 is right here. It's going to say hi, and your Tobi is alive. That's Tobi. Hello, ho ho. And you got to take care of Tobi, otherwise Tobi is going to be sad. Tobi also sleeps. Tobi's interactive. We are going to go into our menu mode. Oh, he's mad. He's like, pay attention to me. Okay, okay, we pay attention to you. So we're going to be giving him some... Let's give him some food. We give him some food here. So Tobi. Oh, we're feeding Tobi. Nice. And that's how you interact with him, because you want to show your Tobi some love. This is like a kid's updated Tamagotchi that goes on your... Oh, he's not feeling so good. So not only is Tobi able to interact with your child or interact with the person you might be giving this to, it will come with features. Ooh. We're going to go to the home menu, and then it's going to give you features like you can take a picture, you can have a walkie-talkie, you can do things like message each other. You'll have things like brain games, and in brain games you have things like you can play tic-tac-toe. And here, this is just a sample game. And Tobi is playing against me. You can see that's Tobi playing against me. And if you want to return back to your menu, go here. You have other games like addition games. And we'll go even more back. You have things like your fitness. So this is going to challenge them. Even boxing is interactive. So this is going to be something they have to move with the watch in order to swing and battle Tobi. You have things like your steps. You know, it says to follow him in terms of what you're doing, your emotions. You have dance moves. You have things like games inside, like basketball. This is all in the watch. You know? And finally, you'll have things, and those are the games, you have things like their health stats that you can track in terms of their points, in terms of their communication, and you can set their alarm, schedule, timer. You have all the functions you would expect in your normal watches, calculator, reminders, and if they want to take a photo, here's a photo. And the camera right here is going to be letting you store up to 3,640 by 480 photos. So here we're going to take a photo, and you can see that it took a photo of me right there. You can also store it on video. All you got to do video is just swipe it, and now I've entered video mode. So now I can take video of myself, and your child has a video camera, and this is for young children who are looking for a interactive and technologically featured experience. All the modes you get on the menu mode, you get camera, image gallery, walkie-talkie, messaging, brain games, fitness, arcade games, rewards, alarm clock, calendar, timer, stopwatch, calculator, settings, breathe, and health. You get also access to the nurture menu to put it into Tobi mode. So you have Tobi nurture food, Tobi nurture, Tobi talk. So you can control Tobi that way. You have all your various brain games. So you have multiple brain games like Tic-Tac-Tobi, Smash Math, Tobi Time, Match. You have your arcade games there like your Dunk and Slam Hoops. You have this balancing game, Drive in Time, Planet Bouncer, fitness menu, Walk and Wonder, where it's going to let you know how long you walked for. Freeze dance, so dance until the music stops. Tobi says, which is going to be you copy what Tobi does. And you have Robot O Box, so you box against the opponent while wearing the watch by punching into the air. You have a messaging and walkie-talkie. And you can send things via message and walkie-talkie to other Tobi 2s. And you have your basic stats, like you're interacting with Tobi in Tobi mode. And Tobi mode is super cool. So check it out. This is the Tobi, Little Tikes Tobi 2. He's going to say goodbye, hello.